Rentio Toor Dal Recipes. I'm Chef Shivani Mehta. Being Gujarati chef, I thought of showing you a perfect recipe of Gujarati Toor Dal today, which is very flavorful. A perfect combination of spicy, sweet and tangy flavors. So to make this original and delicious recipe, all you need to do is follow the simple steps which I am making. So let's start cooking.
Hold on, wait up just a minute now. What are you doing to me? Hold on, I'm awake, dreaming somehow. What are you doing to me? Wait a second, take it slow. Wait a second, don't you know? You're messing with my sense of time, and you are always on my mind. All the time, you're always on my mind. All the time. Hold on, you must be playing tricks with time. What are you doing to me? Hold on, what I give to make you mine. What are you doing to me? Wait a second, take it slow. Wait a second, don't you know? You're messing with my sense of time, and you are always on my mind. All the time, you're always on my mind. All the time. Hold on, wait a second, take it slow. What are you doing to me? Hold on, wait a second, don't you know that you're always on my mind? All the time, you're always on my mind. All the time, don't you know? On my mind, always on my mind. All the time.
So don't forget to try this traditional super cool recipes made by Gujaratis, and please let us know how did you like the recipe. Also don't forget to follow our social media pages of Rentio Toor Dal. Thank you for being with us.